Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Creating a custom form in Outlook lets you gather specific information efficiently. First, open Outlook and ensure the Developer tab is visible. If it's not, go to File, then Options, click Customize ribbon, and check the box for Developer. Now, click on the Developer tab. From there, select Design a Form. You'll then choose a standard Outlook form to base yours on, like a message or a post a form. This opens the design view. You'll see a Field Chooser window. Drag and drop existing fields onto your form, or click New in the Field Chooser to create entirely new custom fields. Give your new fields a name, type, and format, then add them to the form. You can add various controls like text boxes, drop-down lists, or checkboxes to your form sections. Arrange these fields on the form layout as needed. Once your form looks right, go back to the Developer tab and click Publish. Choose Publish Form As and save it to your personal forms library. Give your form a display name and a message class name. After publishing, to use your new custom form, go to the Home tab, click New Items, then More Items, and select a Choose Form. Find your custom form in the A Personal Forms library drop-down and click Open. You've now successfully created and can use your personalized Outlook form.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.